Good morning. This is going to be the video for adding whole numbers with more than 4 digits. So this is kind of going back again to earlier on in the year when we were practicing this to start with. So most of us know how to do this quite quickly. So it's just going to be a quick one lesson recap. So first of all, it's asking you to complete these calculations. So it gives you the place value chart for each number. So you can see 2,164 is represented with a 2, 1, 6 and 4, and 3,213 is represented with 3 in the thousands, 2 in the hundreds, 1 in the tens and 3 in the ones. And it's asking you to add those together. So lots of you will be able to just look at this method, be very comfortable with it, and just do all your workings in there. But if you need to, you can think, well, what would happen if I'm moving those counters into the top column there, if you want to. And B is the same thing, just different numbers. Although there's a slight change in that you've got one column here where it goes over 10. So just remember what happens when you have more than 10 in one column. You have to, so if you're doing 7 here plus that 4, that would be 11. So you have 11 in there, so you take 10 of those counters out of there, and you've now got one more hundreds counter there, and you leave 1 in that column. So you can do your carries there. But I think we should all be very familiar with that. These ones are same things, but no place value chart to help you. So just try and work your way through that. Remember, your carries go on to the next column. And it's just asking you, what do you notice about each addition? What stays the same? What changes? Here you've got a place value chart to help you. So you've got 23,245 as a starting number for those two, and it's that number there. And it's asking you to add these numbers to it. So you can either do it as a written calculation like that one, or you can use that to help you. And D is slightly different. It's got the other way around a little bit. With question 4, it's just asking you to do the additions yourself. You can use this space or just write out the calculations in your book. My tip would be just remember about getting things in the right place value column. So although it's fine here, got the same number of digits in each one. Here you've got a 3-digit number and a 5-digit number. So just think, where is everything going to go? And here you've got a different number of digits. And here you've got 3 lots and also different number of digits. So you can do all of them in one go in a 3-rowed column. And you can try it there. Here you're looking at trying to find how many fans in total went to each match, or which match had the greatest attendance. So you have to do 3 calculations. So just adding the home and away fans to get the number of fans for each match. Then it makes it a bit harder it's giving you the answer, but you've got to think about what were the numbers that go into these 5 different spaces. Then you've got to complete these calculations to make 1,000, 10,000 and 10,000 again. And then finally, you've got to try and spot the mistake. So Mr. Hall has written these additions on the board. So Dexter's done this calculation for that. And then Eva's workings out for this one are here. Explain the mistakes that both of them have made when doing their work. So try and pick out where the mistakes, so you have to write it down. Okay, hopefully it's been helpful. See you next time.